warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning Habibi wa Habibti. How are you today? I hope you are well. Meet again with me with Molimah Puan in our sport video. As usual, Molimah will remind you about day, date, and subject. What day is today? Today is Thursday. What date is today? Today is April 6, 2021. And our subject now is sport. Our title is Circular and Bending Motion in the Water. Circular and Bending Motion in the Water. Gerakan memutar dan menekuk di dalam air. And our purpose of running is scientific word are 1. Sea lion, singa laut. 2. Wheel pipe, pipa sumur. 3. Squatting, berjongkok. 4. Discourages, menghalau. And now, Habibi wa Habibti, please take out your thematic book. Time 7 open on page 79. Acti 79 and Acti and page 107 and the last 108. Okay, Habibi wa Habibti? Habibi wa Habibti, in the last video, we have studied about the motion of walking and running in water in the form of fishing net and cat and mouse games. And today, video is still about activities in the water, namely the circular, memutar, and bending, menekuk, motion in the water, which we also practice, kita praktekkan in the form of penguin and sea lions, penguin dan singa laut, and well pipe, pipa sumur games. Circular motion, gerak memutar, bending the knee, menekuk lutut, swinging the arm, mengayunkan lengan, and bending the body, meliukkan badan, are called non-locomotor motion, gerakan non-lokomotor. Non-locomotor motion, gerakan non-lokomotor adalah motion in place, gerakan di tempat, or motion does not move place, atau gerakan tidak berpindah tempat. Now I am going to explain motion in the water. The first, stand straight in the water, berdiri tegak di dalam air. Then, rotate the body, memutar badan to the left and right by stretching out, merentangkan the arm, so that the waist, pinggang is flexible, lentur in the water. Bend your knees, tekuk lutut, and pull them up, tarik hingga to your chest, dada. Do it repeatedly until the count of 8. Lakukan secara berulang hingga hitungan ke-8. This is the example motion in the water. The first motion and the second motion. And now we are going to games. There are 2 games in the water. The first, penguin and sea lions games and wheel pipe games. The first, penguin and sea lions game. The way are, look for a shallow pond, then choose one of the friends to be the penguin and sea lion. Other friends make a circle by holding hands. Sea lions trying to chase penguin. Singa laut berusaha mengejar penguin. The circle created dibuat by the other friends discourages menghalau the sea lions from chasing mengejar the penguin. This is the game Penguin and Sea Lion. Penguin and Sea Lions games. Look at Habibi wa Habibti. You can see from the picture. And the second, wheel pipe games permainan pipa sumur. The way are, look for a shallow pond and make two groups. Prepare to pipe that has been perforated. Dilubangi. Then one of the students can fill mengisi the water using a container, wadah, or their hands, tangan. Another student covers menutup the whole lubang with his finger. The group that fills with water the fastest then the winner. Okay, Habibi wa Habibti? You can play the games when you go to the ponds with your friends. Mama and Papa, pembelajaran spot untuk hari ini masih tentang aktivitas di dalam air. Selain gerakan berjalan dan berlari di air, ada juga gerakan memutar dan menekuk di dalam air. Kita bisa mempraktekkan gerak memutar dan menekuk di dalam air dalam bentuk permainan, yaitu permainan penguin dan singa laut serta permainan pipa sumur. Mama and Papa, gerak memutar, menekuk lutut, mengayunkan lengan, dan meliukkan badan disebut gerak non-lokomotor. Adapun gerak non-lokomotor adalah gerak di tempat atau gerak yang tidak berpindah tempat. Permainan penguin dan singa laut serta pipa sumur, kita juga harus memastikan bahwa kolam atau sungai tempat bermain anak-anak harus bersih dan tidak terlalu dalam atau dangkal, serta harus dilakukan dengan rasa percaya diri dan cermat agar terhindar dari hal-hal yang tidak diinginkan. Habibi wa Habibti, I think enough for today. Kifayah, don't forget, study more pilbit, keep your healthy. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your watching. And the last, Moli Masih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.